and today we'll be learning lesson 2. Today I will be teaching you guys how to personify your pet. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make fur, floppy ears, and all that fun stuff.
Welcome back everyone, this is lesson 2. Previously we went over lesson 1, which is practicing shapes and using those shapes to create our pet portraitures, such as our cat here and our freshwater turtle. In your same sketchbook, I'm going to be showing you guys some examples of fur textures and how to do scales and whiskers and textures like spots and all that fun stuff. So feel free to pause the video if you need to, or create your own furs and textures. This is just how I usually draw my pet and how I draw textures. Okay, now I'm going to apply those fur textures to an example that we have here, which is our little cat friend. So I'm going to go ahead and apply what I've practiced onto my sketch. And back to my pug that I worked on lesson 1, where I showed you guys how to do shapes for your pet portrait. Now I'm going to focus on my pug today and really get into details such as the rolls on his face and paws and his neck and his tail and all that fun stuff. Congratulations, you guys finished your sketch on your pet. I will see you guys soon in lesson 3.